Hello everybody, and today I am going to show you how to download and install Proton VPN on your Oculus headset. This process is simple, and you can follow along even if you have never installed apps outside the Meta Store before. Before we start, you can check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price if you want a faster and more stable VPN later. To begin, put on your Oculus headset and open the browser inside the headset. In the browser, search for Proton VPN and open the official website. When you find the official Proton website, scroll down and choose the option to get Proton free. When the page loads, click Continue with Free. You will now need to create an account. If you already have one, sign in normally. After you log in, you will see your main Proton dashboard. Look to the left side of the screen and click on Downloads. Under Android, do not click the main download button. Instead, click the small arrow next to Android. Select the APK file. The APK will start downloading to your device. Wait for the file to finish downloading. Now you need an app called Mobile VR Station. This app is available in the Meta Store, and it is free. Install it on your headset. When it opens, you can move the menu with the trigger or recenter the screen by holding the Oculus button. Sit comfortably before you begin the next steps. At the bottom of the Mobile VR Station menu, you will see Android Fixes Configuration Wizard. Select it. When the next screen appears, click on I am here to mods. Then choose Configure Scope Storage Actions. Scroll down and click on for Read to configure scope storage. Now tap on Step 1 Request Access. You will see the name of your headset model at the top. Select it. Scroll until you see Downloads. Tap on Downloads and look for your Proton VPN APK file. Once you find it, select it and then choose the 4-arrow option to confirm. A small message will appear. Click Continue and then click Update. If the app is already installed, you do not need to update anything. But if this is your first time, let it finish the setup. When this is done, you can close Mobile VR Station. Now open your library on your Oculus headset. Go to the section called Unknown Sources. You will see Proton VPN there. Open it and sign in with your Proton account. That is all you need to do. Proton VPN is now installed on your Oculus headset. You can use this method for other APK apps as well, but use them responsibly. Do not use VPNs or mods to cheat in games or disrupt other players. It ruins the experience for everyone. Before I end this video, I want to mention something important. Proton VPN works, but if you want faster speeds, stronger privacy, and better security overall, NordVPN is a much better option for VR users. If you want to try NordVPN for a great price, there is a link in the description. Feel free to check it out.